Precision cable assemblies and wire harnesses start with advanced manufacturing and process control. Automated wire processing systems cut, strip, and prepare wires with speed and accuracy, ensuring consistent quality across every build. Overmolding adds rugged strain relief and environmental protection, helping cable assemblies withstand demanding real-world conditions. Inside the harness workshop, skilled technicians perform assembly, routing, termination, and electrical testing to verify every connection meets specifications. Our cable extrusion process produces durable, high-performance insulation designed for reliability, flexibility, and long-term performance across critical applications. From wire processing to final testing, Epec delivers custom cable and wire harness solutions engineered for performance.